It's Monday morning, almost at 8 a.m. and we're just starting our adventure with the bus ride to Outpost Gorka to the elementary school to install the solar panels.
You know, we were greeted like heroes when we walked into the school, and people were, you know, clapping and cheering, and we hadn't even done anything yet. So it was very humbling experience.
Although you do a charity program, I've never been physically involved in it. This is the first time I've been physically involved in it. And the level of contentment that brings, I've not got it from anything else.
It's a matter of whether you want to be here to see and have the lights turn on. So what does everybody want to do? All right, so then we're just going to start hiking tomorrow. Does everybody agree?
Yep.
All right, good. Thank you all.
Thank you guys.
It's Tuesday at 5:45. We're starting our hike a little late, and we're ready to go.
Yeah, we started quite late. These things happen. It's what makes it a challenge. But you know, you've got to be brave like myself to overcome these challenges and get here early or on time. What do you mean classic roll?
This time what we want to do is the people that you finished with, try and get groups of 4 or 5. That's going to be your group.
You want to go with the first one? I'll try to catch up.
Today is day 3. On Wednesday, we had breakfast this morning and started hiking at about 8 o'clock. We started at Putana, and we're going to be going to Forest Camp today. About 700 meters climb, but it'll be lots of up and down, so it'll be actually more than that as we get there. It's about 6 hours. About 6 hours worth of climbing today.
For this trip, it's amazingly. We come from different countries, UK, US, and Singapore. We have different culture. Also, we have different shape of body. Yeah, I cannot imagine how they can climb like me. Because
The reason I took up the challenge is because I'm asthmatic, so it's even impossible for the level of my breathing to do it. It was about 200, but I thought it would be a challenge for me to change my lifestyle. And then when I was climbing, I was thinking, really, am I going to be able to cope it because I am asthmatic? But it's such a sense of accomplishment. I think this is the hardest thing I've done in my life.
This trail is kicking my ass. My legs are burning, my butt is burning. But I'm getting through it, little by little. That's all we got to do, man.
You know, walking up the hills was a challenge. You know, again, the altitudes got higher and higher. It got colder and colder. I was walking towards the back of the pack, so I had a lot of individual time with a couple of different guides that were helping me along the way.
Let's go, guys. Today is the most challenging day.
So we go in our
4 o'clock.
same, we go in our same groups.
That was the most amazing experience of my life. I don't want to go do it again just too soon though. New York?
Ready, made it, Maddie. Made it. Glad to be here.
No, because if I jump, you'll see the flat.
But I'm feeling thankful I made it up here. It was tough, but you just got to keep pushing. This is the nearest I've been to God on 2 feet.
So here's to Northland. Thank you, Pierre, for your vision and allowing us to do these things. It's absolutely amazing.
So there's two sides to every coin, right? So the unfortunate part was the downhill, and I definitely don't enjoy downhill hiking. It was very rough yesterday, rainy and slippery. We had a very hard time, so much so that one of our group mates, or one of my group mates, Eddie, slipped and broke his arm. It was the hardest day, so it went from a very high point of reaching the summit, where we got the view and everyone was real happy, to a very low point towards the end of the day where we had to deal with that unfortunate arm incident and injury. So he's on his way to recovery already.
This is the last lap. We're going with happiness. We are descending, and this is the peak.
Thank you, everyone.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. Goodbye.